Okay, this problem is on your notes, so please follow along and write it down. I think it's easier when you write it down. So make sure you read the directions. Directions say the measure of ARE is congruent to the measure of ERD. So ARE is here, and ERD is right here. And you can see in this circle, this is named circle R because R is the center, that we have a semicircle right here. And we know, I'm sorry, we don't, this is the diameter. This makes the semicircle. So we know in a semicircle that these angles right here are going to add up to 180. And these arcs right here are going to also add up to 180. So if I saw a problem like this, I need to figure out what x is so I can then find all these angle and arc measures. So I'm going to start by writing the equation. I'm going to say 4x plus 15x plus 3 plus 7x minus 5 equals 180. I'm going to combine like terms and hopefully that will lead me to a good answer. What's this? 1926x minus 2 equals 180. 26x equals 182. And when you divide, x is equal to 7. All right, and now that's super helpful, so I can figure a few things out. So this angle would be 4 times 7, so this angle is going to be 28. This was identical. They were congruent earlier, so this would also be 28. 15 times 7 plus 3 is, what is that, 105 plus 3, 108, I think. And then 7 times 7 is 49, minus 5 is 44. And just to double check that my arithmetic is correct, I would add these up. That would be 136, 140, 180. Yep, so that works. This is also a semicircle. The arc BAE is a semicircle. So if this is 28 right here, this has to be 152. All right, and so now I'm going to answer my questions over here. These are all, by the way, central angles because the vertex of all of those angles is at the center. So ERD is 28. Hold on a second. Hun, can you go somewhere else?
What is this cell phone number? I'm wondering if I got the right.
All right, and this is ERD is 28 degrees.
It looked like my phone number.
ARB, sorry, ARB would be 152. That angle is 152. And angle BRD, I would add these two angles together, so that would be 152 as well.
All right, I'll try and do it right now, okay?
This is a minor arc AD. From A to D would be these two angles together would make this minor arc. So this would be 28 and 28. This would be 52. And then this is a major arc, B, shortest distance to A, all the way to C. So that would be everything except this 44. So that would be 316. You can add up all those things or just take 360 minus the 44. All right, that is the next example.